Here's how to create a stock game. Hit the red stock tab in the upper left corner of the home screen. Next, hit the orange plus sign tab in the upper right corner. This will bring you to the Create a Game screen. Simply fill out the tabs, starting with the first tab, Game Name. Second, select whether the game is going to be a private or a public game. If you select private, you will be prompted after the select your start and end date to create a password at least 6 letters long. Next, tap the Starting Cash tab and put in your starting cash amount. The next section is pretty self-explanatory. Would you like to allow trading with margin, which means for every dollar in starting cash, the game will give you an additional 50 cents of buying power. So instead of $100,000, you will be able to buy up to $150,000 worth of stock. To enable, hit the round tab until it turns orange. Would you like to allow short selling, which is when you bet on stocks going down and profit off them going down? Would you like to play with the head-to-head feature on? If so, create a name for your team, press add, and follow the same procedure for the second team. Next tab is the diversification rule. This stops you from putting all your money in one stock, meaning you have to own at least 2 positions. The next tab is allowing late entry, which allows players to enter a game after the game has already started. The second to last tab is the rebuy tab. This allows players who fall below in starting cash to refresh their starting cash back to the original starting cash amount. Now, the final step is to decide whether you want to play in real time or play with a 15-minute delay. Playing in real time is for your more seasoned players, while playing with a 15-minute delay allows the players to see into the future. For example, if Apple is trading real time at 2:15 in the stock market and 2:10 on the app, you buy it at 2:10, which takes down the amount of skill set you need because of the 15-minute delay, but it raises the amount of fun, hence the reason we call it edutainment, a combination of both fun and entertainment.